Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing parts and making the first connections. Attach the electret microphone to the PCB, one lead to ground, the other through 1K omega to the mic bias. Once done, solder the 10 micro F capacitor between the microphone output and the 3.5 mm input tip. This blocks DC. Make sure to mount the coin cell holder and connect its positive to the bias resistor. Negative goes to ground. Keep wires short to reduce noise, and test continuity before moving to the amplifier stage. You now build the amplifier and routing to the recorder. Power the op-amp from the same 3V supply or regulated 5V. Configure it non-inverting with gain around 5 to 10 so peaks don't clip. Insert a 10K pot for adjustable gain and place a 100 omega series resistor at the 3.5 mm tip to isolate the source. Once connected, add the decoupling capacitor to remove DC offset and test levels by speaking near the mic while measuring output with a smartphone or portable recorder. You finish by securing the circuit and performing final tests. Place everything into a compact enclosure, cutting a small hole for the microphone and using foam to prevent rattles. Secure the battery so it won't short. Once enclosed, make several test recordings at varied distances and voices. If you hear clipping, reduce gain. If signal is too weak, increase it slightly. If you encounter persistent hiss or hum, add a 0.1 micro F decoupling cap across power or a ferrite bead on the input line to remove interference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.